All right, I've been experimenting more with fluid art, and this color combination is for this week's Fluid Friday Friends for Fluid Nail Art Friday. And I've been trying to experiment with getting these sort of larger cells that my friend Mylene Nails really likes. She doesn't like the smaller cells, but I think there's a couple of tricks to getting the larger cells to develop. And so this color combination uses Native War Paint's Cosmopolitan, Lemon Drop, and Appletini. And this is part of their Martini Magic magnetic collection. And the magnetic properties on these aren't really strong because they're neon colors which shimmer, but I really love them and use them for a bunch of other things. I got these for review a while ago. And along with that, I'm using my do-it-yourself fluid art clear, and I have a video a few weeks back on how I did that, along with the Dance Legend Spot It in Black. And I think that using the two together produces some really interesting and fun cells. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, and people always ask about these. These are these mini silicone round mats from, I got these from Born Pretty Store. So they'll take a while to get to you, but Lantern and Wren also carries them in the US if you want quicker shipping, and it's item 43717. And I got 2 initially for review, and I've ordered 3 more of the white ones because I really like the white ones a lot. I think the black one is great for testing like over a black base if you wanted to do that, and over dark colors kind of thing, but for the most part I prefer the white ones. There's also a pink one as well, but I don't find that particularly useful. So what I'm going to do is dot colors of the polish. Okay, and the order doesn't really matter. You just want to get dots going. And I combined a little pink into that, so I did a brush swipe. Okay. And what invariably happens is that the first color you put down gets a little lost, so I go back in with that first color, which was the pink, and add a little bit more of that into there. And now I'm going to add 2 drops of the clear along the sides. Then I'm going to add a couple of smaller drops of the black just to disperse it. All right, so this is the method that I'm going to use, which is a little bit different than my usual. So I'm going to lightly press this together to combine the colors a bit and also start creating cells. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to swirl this like for drip marble. Okay. Because I think this stretching and pulling of the mat itself and into making it larger, and if it doesn't want to spread because the edges have dried, just press that together so that you get a little more movement. And I know this is hard to film because there's a lot of movement here, but getting those polishes to move, I think, is the trick. You can see those larger cells developing as the polish pulls away. Okay. And hopefully you can see those larger cells developing here in the middle, and it's dripping a little, which is okay. But I really feel like that's the secret, like stretching those cells out is the secret to making the larger cells develop, just giving the polishes more room to move, if that makes sense. So anyway, that's how I created these. And obviously I haven't even put them on yet. I've just started creating them, but I thought I'd film this process to show you, because I think that's a pretty handy little trick. Anyway, thanks for watching.